2.2005 Ford F-250 King Ranch Crew Cab FX4 Powerstroke Diesel 4-wheel drive, 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. FX4 Off-Road Package, $500 Rhino Bed Liner, $250 Power Sliding Rear Window, $120 Adjustable Pedals, Dual Power Heated Leather Seating, 6-disc CD Changer, Wood Grain Interior Trim, Keyless Entry Touchpad with Code, Alarm, Running Boards, Towing Package, PW, PDL, and PM. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States. 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Repair description: total invested $3,850.95. 10-mile road test, 135-point inspection, lube, oil filter, diesel 6.0L test, replaced air filter wiper blades, replaced.